So today I'm going to walk you through how to add music to your WhatsApp status, whether it is a text, a video, a picture. We can do that, but we actually have to use another app. Now, if this video helps you, if you could consider liking and subscribing to the channel, just a really easy way to support the work we're doing here, and I'd really appreciate it. With that, we're actually going to slide over to Instagram. On Instagram, inside of Instagram, we're actually going to pretend like we're uploading a story. So I'm just going to hit that add story. I'm just going to use this image here. But if you're wanting to post a video on WhatsApp, get that out here. We're going to hit this little emoji. I don't even know what this is at the top. And here we would just look for music. Inside of music, we have all of the options. You can search, of course. Just find the song that you want and select it. Now you can have the music show as that little chip here, or the lyrics show on screen. Of course, you can choose which part of the song you want to use. Lots of options here. I will do the chip here. Then I'm going to go to done. I'm going to move this up here, right there. And now I'm going to hit these three dots here, and I'm just going to hit this save button. And that's going to save that to my camera roll. Now with that saved to my camera roll, I'm just going to open up our WhatsApp again, and I'm going to click on the status, and then here, this gallery option, I'm going to manage and select more photos. And here is that option. So I'll select that. Bada bing, bada boom. So now we have the music with the clip here. And if I wanted to add a caption, I could. I'll just share that. And you'll see that the music here is on. I'm not going to play it for copyright reasons, but it is playing. And yeah, that's how you're going to do that. So guys, that's all I have for today. I hope it helps. If it does, again, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.